Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon to all of us. Let me introduce myself. I am 𝐏𝐻𝐸sty Silawane, a student of Khairun University, Ternate. Today, I would like to invite all of us to shift our focus for a moment toward the east, specifically to North Maluku, a land blessed with extraordinary forests and seas. And I want to ask ourselves, have we really taken good care of it? We live in an era where environmental crisis is no longer a threat of the future, but a reality of today. SDG 14 and 15 are not just targets set by the United Nations, but a moral call for our generation. In North Maluku, these SDGs are highly relevant because we possess two priceless treasures that are now under threat: our forests and our seas. On land, the forests are being cleared for mining. Every time bulldozers enter the forest of Halmahera or Morotai, it's not just trees that fall, but habitats are lost and ecosystems are damaged. This creates massive impacts on the environment and local communities. Deforestation caused by mining is not just about the loss of trees, but the loss of the forest function as a life support system. The land becomes prone to erosion, water sources diminish, and biodiversity faces extinction. At sea, pollution, plastic waste, and dangerous fishing practices are causing the ocean to suffer. Coral reefs are bleaching, marine life is declining, and local fishermen are losing their catch. However, I am not standing here to blame anyone. I am standing here to announce that we can be part of the solution. We, the students, are youth with the energy, knowledge, and access to take action. We don't need a position of power to start making change, just the will to do it. As a student in North Maluku, we can start with simple yet impactful action. We can initiate and support post-mining land rehabilitation programs by replanting native trees that can survive in critical land conditions, selecting tree species based on land function, establishing eco-conscious campus communities, and educating the public about the ecological function of forests. We can set up village-based coastal waste banks, organize plastic reduction campaigns, adopt and plant coral reefs, monitor illegal fishing practices, or actively participate in marine conservation programs. I believe change doesn't have to be big at the start, but it must be consistent and sustainable. We can invite school students in coastal areas to learn about their seas and how to protect them. We can educate the public on how to cultivate land without destroying forests. The earth, especially North Maluku, doesn't need a great hero. It only needs many ordinary people willing to take action, including us, students. We have a voice, we have time, we have dream of the future, because in the end, saving the earth is not just an environmental project, it is a humanitarian project. When forests are destroyed, the first to lose water sources are humans. When the seas are polluted, the first to lose their livelihoods are humans. Therefore, protecting the green on land and the blue in the sea means protecting our very own lives, because the earth needs us, not tomorrow, but today. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.